Oh, you off!
We're off to get Bubble.
5 acres.
Morning.
Now he goes direction. That's this man. Hello! Oh, don't take a photo.
I'm not taking photos.
Hello, Will.
Come.
He goes to 5 acres college. Camera. Yeah. Hey!
We got a little down on our journey.
Don't go filming too much, Will. Got Juice.
Just filming people.
Too much. You gotta film the game.
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta film the game. You're gonna film the whole journey.
I ain't filming the whole journey. Can't go child my hand like this for that long. Where's Bubble?
Oh, dang it, my big bum boys. Ah, do you know it? Not gonna be back. Look at Junior!
There's Tubby. Say hello to the camera, John. Bubble! Woo! Boys, we got it. This is our journey on the motorway.
How you doing, buddy?
Where's the sign? It's upside down, you cock. Punk if you're horny. Anybody horny out there? They're horny.
Oh,
We're here.
Where?
The cripple.
Where are we, Will? Where are we, Will?
We're here.
Where are we?
We're in Blackburn.
Where? There it is, Will!
Nathan, obviously, the suspension on that. He's got to break it.
Where's Will? I'm trying to stop it.
What?
Oh, looking cool there, man. There you go, now. Thank you, brother.
The bus.
Oh, okay. Turn it off, I'll show you again. He remembered. Couldn't tell you scored, you just went, oh. Well, don't waste too much. There was like, oh no, I scored. Better have to walk all the way back to the halfway line now.
It's a bit stiff.
Yeah.
That's better.
You got it on, I'm not letting. I scored with Jim.
Morning!
You know, Jim, I scored some goals when you was in charge.
Jim!
Yeah, you did. I scored my debut against Newton and it disallowed us game.
We're in a
What?
Blackburn shithole.
What was that?
Got all this rubbish.
What do you say then?
How many drinks did Annie brought?
Oh, yeah, pops.
He left.
You're not allowed to have them to the way back.
Energy drinks, Jim?
Yeah.
They're Anders, but you can have them.
About well.
Yeah, well.
Is there anything in there? No. What? That's right. This is what we think of Blackburn. Hey.
Looks stunning. You can delete that. Good man. That's quite a bit of
Go on,